Changing the battery for Jeep Compass Trailhawk 2018. So here is the battery. So we need to take the cover off. This is the electronic. So most of the time you have to take the electronic out. So we have terminal here. We're going to take the screw off of this, and then down there, as you see here, that's the one that is holding it in place, the strap. We're taking it off, and then we are going to take the negative off and replace the battery. We might need to take these two off, these two screws, and then possibly this one, so to juggle the computer board. So this electronic is basically for turn off and turn on the car when you're stopping at the stop sign. Stopping in the light, and turn it off and then turn it on. So this is the electronic that we need to keep it in place, and just take this one off, and then down there the one that's holding it in place. So let's do that. Then take it off. Okay. Go here. So using number 10, taking these things off. You can pause it now. I'm taking these two screws off because it's too tight, so I have to take this off. Still tight here. Okay, so I need to take these things, disconnect it from there. Pause. So taking these things off for the terminal, battery terminal, move it out. So I cannot move it out a lot, so I need to take these things off. So I need to take that off. So that's 13 millimeter. So I need a 13 millimeter for that to disconnect this one. Now I can move this one easy. Now I need to take the strap off. That's the screw, as I showed you before. This is number 13 again, and that screw in to untie the strap to take the battery out. I need to take the left terminal also out. Hopefully I can take the knot with me. No? need magnet to take it off. Bring it up. There you go. The screw. The nut. Number 10 for this one. Let's see if we can take it off. So it's okay. Open it up. Leave it to get loose. And then let's see. Okay, I'll lose the terminal, take it off this one, put it aside, here somewhere. Now, I'll take the battery out. So, use the strap here. Going to bring it down. So, this is the guy out, strap out, that one is out. Let's take the battery out now. All these things off. Take these things. All battery out. This is the new battery, Dorsal 650 cranking current, 3 years warranty, has LCD. So this one, the old one, doesn't say what's the crank off current crank. But this is the replacement, so we're going to replace it with this guy. I need my straps away. How the heck I put these things there? The new battery is in there. I'm going to put the strap back here. Tight it. And just hold it right in place. Tight the screw, the nut. I'm going to put it with magnet, using the magnet to put the, oh, I can't do it. I'll do that. So, let me see, how do we go there? I have to drop this thing somehow. And how do I drop it? Hopefully the nut will stay here. It doesn't. So I'm going to put the magnet here in the nut inside of this so it doesn't fall. So I'm going there and put the nut on the screw to tie the Then it was too deep. I put the tape around the nut and put in the socket so it doesn't fall on me. It's so deep. So the magnet didn't work because it pulled, the magnet was so strong, it pulled the whole thing out. that worked. The nut is in place. Disregard the tape, and we're going to put the other stuff back. Now we need to put the positive terminal. Let's do this. Get my cable out. The cable that goes here, and then take the knob out. There you go. So what I'm going to do before I put the thing, I'm going to use the battery terminal protector just to spray a little bit so it doesn't get crazy. So I'm using this thing a little bit.
What does that do?
That's just make sure that the terminal is stay there and doesn't get acid, salty later on. Put that positive terminal. I need my number 10 back so I can tie that. The battery is in place. The new battery manufactured on October 2023. So I'm just going to make sure this is tight. Okay, that's good tight. A little bit more spray on it so it doesn't hurt. I'm going to tie these things here. I'm not putting the negative terminal yet, so I put these things back. So these things need to be okay. Make sure these two, when you put it in, it goes with these two holes so you can tie it. So I think one of them is already broken, the other one is good. So I'm trying to put this thing in such a way so it does go to those holes so you can tie them. So if you put this thing first, align this one. I need light. So this one is you moving this way or that way. So that's basically do the alignment. Okay. So you look at the behind the back of it. So you move that things, make sure it's aligned to the hole, and then you insert it. Then you can tie that easy. So don't push it hard because this is going to break it. So now it is set there. My terminal set. Oh, you can tie it. Here you go. So everything is set right. I'm going to use hammer to bring this thing down all the way. Okay. Now I'm tightening the terminal. Make sure you tie it as hard as possible so it doesn't be loose. If it is loose, the nut or something like that, terminal doesn't sit properly, then you're going to lose the power. So you make a, here is my broken piece, so make sure you don't break it. That wasn't aligned, so put the screw back. When you're putting this nut, you have to hold it down a lot, otherwise this one is going to spin. Somehow you have to lock it. This one is underneath loose. I don't know it had anything or not underneath to hold it, but right now it is not. When I put the nut, this keep moving and the nut doesn't get tight because it doesn't sit. So it has, something has to be hold it down. So when I hold up this thing up, then it's tight. So that's what you need to do. So when you put the nut, it does go some a certain way, and so much down. Now it is just spinning because the bottom of that nut is spinning. I cannot go higher more, so I have to hold somehow this one up and then tight it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause this thing and do that. Okay, I tied that one up. The positive sign is terminal is tied up very good. I put the terminal protector, as you saw it earlier. I sprayed a little bit. I spray here also, and then once I put the terminal, I'm going to put some more on the terminal protector so it doesn't get salty or something like that. Okay, I put this terminal, I'm tightening it. So what I did, I top it a little bit with hammer down like the other terminal. So make sure that the terminal is set all the way to the bottom of it. As you see here. So touch all the way to the bottom. So I use the hammer. Don't be afraid to use the hammer to put it down if you cannot slide it. Or you can completely open this thing and then this one, open it up and put it in. And then you can hold it there in place. So I'm going to tighten it pretty good. So that's tight good. The positive terminal is tight good. So I'm going to put a little bit more terminal protector, spray a little bit on this guy, and then close down. So that's good. So that's about that. So just put the cover up and turn on the car. It should do it. So I'm going to put the cover. So we tied everything. So now I'm putting the cover back. It's clicked. So the battery is very good, tied up, so it doesn't move anywhere. So this is the negative, there's a positive is hold on. So that's about it. Easy. It's supposed to take not more than 15 minutes, but sometimes putting that screw down there to tie the thing is a little bit challenging to hold the nut, or you can put it with your hand and take it there. So that's about it.